Hello, my name is Klaus and welcome to another Mazda 6 video. Roll the intro, let's go! From the thumbnail, you've seen what's up, and you know what's up.
NovSight or NovSight challenged me. They said, we saw the video and we have something new in our list. This is new for them, but this is what they sent for the showcase. This is what we're gonna install. These are fog LED lights. Some of you might have seen on the channel that I already did fog lights, but those are cheap ones, like cheap, like Cheap and Cheerful. These are the next level. Its adventure is calling. If it would. There you go, adventure is calling. And this brand, what I say, is more off-road concentrated. They are more off-roady. But who says that you can't install LED off-road lights in your car? And they have even their seal. So this is like good stuff. They do cost a bit more than the ones I installed, and as you can see, it's a secure box. It's real secure. Come on. Oh, there we go. Get wrecked. Put the manual. But what I like about these, look, even the foam itself is quite quality, not gonna lie, and it has a mini fan. It has a small fan. Well, it's a bulb like any other bulbs. This is quite a bit heavier. So let's see. Let's compare if this H11 is better than what we have. And there will be the test. Is this bulb better than the cheap one? So this is a long time test, and let's see how this will work. They wanted an honest review. Oh, you will receive it. Actually, you can see through it. So it is might be cooling something. So let's go install these bulbs. And these are the tools you're gonna need to do this fog lights. Phillips pry tool if it's struggling to get off. Socket with an spanner with a 8mm, 10mm socket. Obviously the LED lights, choose whichever you wanna, and a light for filming purposes only. Let's go and install it.
Go. Oh, I know it's better if you don't stay. I'm so tangled in my own rope.
compare this to that one in daytime, and then at nighttime. Let's see who is the victorious. Whoa, something is up with this light already. Oh, it's loose. This movement is in here. Oh, this isn't a quality light. You can see already inside there's a bit brown. Ooh, yeah, I'll take a picture of what I mean with brown inside. Okay, this is not a good quality. Okay, let's compare. Welcome, night riders. Are you ready? Let's turn on the side lights. Welcome to an undisclosed location. I know you can't see a lot, but that's crazy. That's crazy. Look at that. Look at all that compared to all that. Look, it's overpowering that easily. That's the new light. Look at the pattern from the side. Xeons, look at the pattern right here where it fades out. I can see my shoes and clearly as daylight. That's actually a huge difference. When they mentioned they have something much better, they have something much better. This is nice. Those ones were crap. Yeah, that they're saying the cheaper you buy, the worse it is. It's a true. But that kind of difference, that's day and night. We are talking LED lights. Those both are LED lights. On the other side, that's the old LED. The one that when I took out from this one, the one that's moving and burned a little bit there. This one is the new one. At daytime it looks the same, but what can it do better? It can do a lot. I hope this video was informative and that you don't buy crappy ones. And I'll see you next video. Bye bye. Not only they sent me these bulbs to install, they came to flex a bit. This is the top of their line, like top of the line. And I'll show you why it's top of the line. As always, and now these are for headlights, but as my headlights have the Xeons, this won't fit. Big fan. These materials don't feel cheap. Even this is not plastic. And they have even their own CAN bus, if that's what you call CAN bus. Basically box. You can literally plug it in, plug and play. If you have this H9, or which one it was, H11, H9, they give you the whole kit. Look at this kit. You have ground, positive and negative. Basically you connect these to the battery. You have your fuse, like directly to the battery. You have your fuse, you have your connectors for the connector, for 1, 2, connected to this relay. This is like thick wiring. Yeah, it's that simple. It is that simple. And they have even it was somewhere there, they have even a guide how to do it, if I remember right. Maybe on the box itself. Try to find a car, or I actually have a car that I will install these in NovSight. Let's see what you're made out of.